I'm gonna give you a clue.
Okay.
Mac.
Nickies.
Nickies. Nickies.
Okay, I don't know.
Welcome to Fact or Fishy with Sea Harvest, where we'll be unpacking some frequently asked questions and myths with the help of an expert. Could be one, it could be two, it could be 10. I don't know, but I do know I'm Devon, your captain, bringing you the facts from the sea for you to see. I don't know about you, but I'm always on the hunt for simple and quick meal ideas that are delicious and also nutritious, right? If the recipes covered in this video aren't enough, don't worry, there's more. Visit our Foodies of SA playlist and tell us which recipe is your favorite in the comments below. 5 quick and scrumptious ways to cook your frozen fish. 1 fish and 5 different ways to serve it up. One for every day of the week. Let's hear from our expert. Wait, hold up. Before we check in with the experts, let's ask the public some easy general knowledge questions around fish. Come, let's go.
A snack.
A snack. A snack.
Is it a barracuda? I'm not sure.
A snook and a snack. What? Mackerel. Hey, oh, that was quick. That was quick. Adam is op it. Adam is op it.
Snoek, yellowtail.
Yellowtail.
Yellowtail's the snoek.
My favorite fish, a yellowtail. Snoek in Afrikaans, yellowtail in English.
Snoek is snoek.
Snoek is snoek, of course.
Yeah, snook.
Snoek.
Mackerel. M-A-C, mackerel. Mackerel.
There you go, lekker. Take a stab at it,
Macfish.
Macfish. What?
It's just a snook, really.
Snook, okay, we go with snook. Man, these answers. Nah, let's get back to studio. Man, am I excited right now. The next expert on the show has been cooking from a tender age, and currently he is the senior sous chef at the Test Kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Jabir Moses. Jabir, welcome to Fact or Fishy with Sea Harvest.
Thank you for having me.
Wicked, man. Now, Jabir, we are going to jump straight into it, right?
No problem.
Now, I learned about the frozen fish and how it's processed, the methods, but now I want to know how to cook it. I'm looking for the recipes, the juicy ones, the cheesy ones, the work. So I'm going to pose it to you, and you can tell me, you can teach me right here, right now. I'm on a diet. I literally started my diet now. I'm looking for something that's low carb.
So first thing, like a lot of people always think potatoes and bread and the staples that keep you full. So what I can like sort of propose to you is like something simple but still delicious. If you like Asian food, you can go with like simply glazed fish, soy sauce, honey, and then instead of like rice or bread, you can use cauliflower rice. You can spice it up however you like. You can serve that with a host of vegetables, steamed broccoli, baby carrots, baby corn. You can char it over the fire, you can deep fry it. It'll be delicious either way.
It sounds delicious. Literally, I'm just picturing my mind. Now, in terms of, vitamins, I'm looking for something high in vitamin. Now, with family and my family specifically, something that reduces high cholesterol. Do you have a recipe?
What you should think of when you think vitamins, simply put, is like colors. So anything with color. So you could take like a nice piece of fish, make a batter, deep fry it, and then you can put that in a taco. And to spice up the taco, you can add a host of little different vegetables. You can go with red cabbage, pineapple, avocado, tomatoes. You can make it. The plate is a canvas and the food is the paint. So once you have like all the different colors of vegetables, it's already rich in vitamins, and that's what makes it delicious.
You're literally tormenting me right now. I'm picturing everything that you said, and it sounds so scrumptious. In terms of I'm looking for a recipe around high fiber.
So something very simple also, you can go with sweet potato mash instead of normal mash. Sweet potato has a bit more fiber in it. You can go with steamed spinach, fried spinach, and then for the fish, you can season up fish cakes, crumb it in some, brown rice, which makes it even like more crunchy. Once you deep fry those bad boys on the sweet potato with the spinach, awesome. You can serve that up with your own mayonnaise, soy sauce and mayonnaise, makes it delicious. Dressing, mayonnaise, and tomato sauce makes a cool dressing, and that with the fish cakes, chef's kiss.
I am, you know what, I can see you are the chef. You know what you're talking about right now. Now, what I want to ask you, I got kids. They're not that big on fish at the moment, right? And I'm trying to kind of like get them on fish. I'm understanding they're missing out on vitamins and all these type nutrients, good nutrients. How can one warm someone up to fish?
It's very simple. You find a type of food they enjoy. If they enjoy fried chicken, you deep fry the fish. You make a nice batter, you deep fry it. If they enjoy Asian food, you treat it like you would a piece of chicken, but with a piece of fish. And it should be easier that way to introduce them, because familiarity makes it easier to get to terms with something new.
Smart, I like that. You hear that, kids? You heard it from the expert, Jabir Moses. Thank you so much for coming on the show today. It's been awesome. You've literally been playing with my emotions, my imagination. It's been an honor having you here on Fact or Fishy with Sea Harvest. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Sea Harvest? Now that's a meal plan. Which recipe are you gonna go with? Tell us in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a share, and subscribe. And before you go, did you know that eating fish can help you sleep? Fish meat contains vitamin D that assists in improving quality of sleep. Did you even know that? But you know what? Add more scrumptious recipes to your meal planning by browsing through Sea Harvest Fish and Tips playlist. Get it? Fish and Tips. Here they are. Start with whichever one looks most delicious to you.